Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voice on Discord mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my mobile phone, and if you want to change voice on Discord, we have to download application. You can go to your Play Store or Apple Store and you have to download and install this application on your mobile phone. You have to search for the voice changer or voice effect application, and after you have installed this application, you can open it and you can use this application to change your voice. So unfortunately, we cannot link this application to the Discord. So if we want to change our voice, we need to record our voice with this application. Then we're going to use the voice changer, then send the audio to the Discord. So I'm going to record and change my voice with this application. We can click on this option and I'm going to tap to start recording. 안녕. Okay, and I'm going to apply voice changer or a voice effect to this voice. I'm just going to try it one by one.
안녕. 안녕.
And I'm going to select this one, guys. And then we're going to save this voice. And after that, we're going to share this audio to the Discord. I'm going to click on share and I'm going to select Discord. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to share it to my friend and I'm going to send it. Okay, and now the voice has been shared, and that's how we can change voice on Discord mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.